What's going on, guys? I want to look at a couple of stocks going into this week. Today is Sunday. I hope you guys all enjoyed your time away from the charts, enjoyed your weekend, whatever hobbies you guys are into, the family, the significant other, friends, or even just if you kick back by yourself. I played a little bit of golf this weekend myself, went out a couple times in the past 3 days. I'm not as young as I used to be. I'm really starting to feel it, but let's go ahead and look at some names, two names that I'm looking at for this week. So if the narrative continues and the bulls continue to kind of step up, I want to keep my eyes on Amazon. If we notice Amazon's daily chart here, we've been consolidating sideways for 3 days. You can see that we're underneath this supply zone here of this linear regression sitting at around 148.27. That's going to be the area that I want to kind of focus on. Taking out Friday's highs, taking out Thursday's highs, getting above this linear regression here. So if we can manage to put in a new high over this linear regression of 147.5, once that new high gets confirmed, you can see that this chart ultimately has been going sideways since November the 14th. We could be looking at another leg up. Now, to the downside, I think it's pretty self-explanatory. Notice Friday and Thursday's lows are right here sitting at this 20-day moving average. So anything below 145.34, I would be trying to target 142.70s to the downside. But I like this chart. I like the way it's setting up. We could be looking at a little bit of a push higher. The next one is going to be Tesla. Tesla has not really rallied. And if we kind of look at Tesla's daily chart here, and I'll kind of expand this a little bit so we can see the overall macro picture on the daily time frame. Let me drag this across here. But if we notice Tesla's daily chart, Tesla got back over its 5-10-day moving average. It's also over the 100 simple day moving average. So anything over Friday's highs on Tesla, 245.28, has open skies all the way up here to 250. Now, last week they were coming in for 250 calls. They did not print. However, we are very close to these getting printed this week here. We do have a little bit of supply going here to the 5th as well as the 6th. That price is going to be somewhere around 247. So look for a price break over 245.28 into 247. Hold the rudder to see if we can kind of stretch up into those 250s. I'm going to really be focused on these two names going forward. I'm just barely sitting down here doing my homework for the weekend, so I want to build together a little bit of a watch list. If you guys are interested in getting the rest of my watch list, you guys are getting interested in perhaps joining Evolution Traders, where you guys can get access to the strategies, you guys can get access to the community, the one-on-one coaching, and the live webinars, definitely join. The link is down in the description box below. I'll see all of you guys on the inside who decide to join. It's a first come first serve basis. I kind of cap it off. I'm only looking for like that one, maybe two traders if you guys join at the same time, just to kind of get familiar with everyone going into 2024. That way we make sure we have a solid foundation going into the new year. I'll see all of you guys on the inside. Like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys all have a fantastic trading week.